Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use iPhone as keyboard for a laptop. If you want to use your iPhone as a keyboard for your laptop, follow these easy steps. First, download a remote keyboard app on iPhone. Go to the App Store and install a keyboard app like Remote Mouse, Wi-Fi Mouse, Unified Remote. So I choose Unified Remote. Install the companion software on your laptop. On your laptop, visit the app's official website and download the required PC or Mac client. Go ahead and install it on your Windows or Mac computer by clicking Download. Connect your iPhone and laptop to the same network. Ensure both your iPhone and laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the PC companion software. On your laptop, launch the remote keyboard software on your laptop. Launch the app on your iPhone. Open the keyboard app by tapping Open and search for your laptop in the device list by tapping the three lines in the top left. Choose Service, then tap to choose your laptop. Pair your iPhone with a laptop. Some apps require you to enter a pairing code displayed on your laptop screen. Others may automatically detect and connect. Select the keyboard option. Once connected, go back to Remote. Tap the keyboard icon in the app to start typing. Enable touchpad mode. Many apps also provide a mouse trackpad feature for full control, and this app has this feature. Just tap on the mouse icon in the bottom right. Test the connection. On your laptop, open Notepad, Word, or a browser and start typing using your iPhone, and it's literally working when I type keyboard. Troubleshoot if needed. If the keyboard isn't working, restart the app by swiping up the app and your laptop. Check Wi-Fi connection. Update the PC client on your PC settings window update and click the Check for Updates and iPhone app latest software if there's any. Now, your iPhone is a fully functional wireless keyboard for your laptop. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.